Once upon a time, in a vast, green forest, lived a beautiful cougar named Whiskers and Paws. She was known for her shimmering golden fur, her emerald green eyes, and her melodious voice. One day, Whiskers and Paws felt a little sad. She missed the sound of laughter and the joyful chatter that used to echo through the forest. She remembered the times when little animals would play near her den, their laughter filling the air. Feeling a bit lonely, Whiskers and Paws decided to find a way to bring back the laughter and joy. She thought, and then an idea popped into her mind. She would sing a song that would make everyone happy. The next day, Whiskers and Paws gathered all the animals in the forest. She stood tall and proud, her golden fur glowing in the sunlight. With a deep breath, she opened her mouth and began to sing. "Listen, little ones, gather round. I have a song to sing, and I hope you'll be bound by the rhythm of my voice and the music I make. I'll fill your hearts with joy, and drive all your sorrows away." As Whiskers and Paws sang, the forest seemed to come alive. The birds tweeted along, the rabbits danced, and even the deer joined in. The laughter and joy that had been missing for so long filled the air once more. From that day on, whenever Whiskers and Paws sang, the forest was filled with laughter and joy. The little animals would come to listen, their hearts filled with happiness. And so, Whiskers and Paws became the guardian of joy in the forest. As the sun set, Whiskers and Paws would retreat to her den, her heart filled with contentment. She had found a way to bring joy back to the forest, and in doing so, she had made many friends. And every night, as she closed her eyes, she would listen to the laughter and joy that filled the air, and she would smile, knowing that she had made a difference. And so, the story of Whiskers and Paws, the cougar who sang, became a legend in the forest. Her song was remembered for generations, and her name was whispered with love and affection. And every time someone needed a reminder of joy, they would sing Whiskers and Paws' song, and their hearts would be filled with happiness once more.